Hi, my name is Dr. Hyatt Frobos. I serve as the nutritionist and commercial director for Giga Technologies, the makers of Gestall products. Today we're looking at the Gestall Select for use on finishing pigs ranging from the end of the nursery all the way up through the end of their test period, as much as 300 pounds.
My name is Kevin Young. I'm the farm manager here at the Florida site. We are a boar test facility that houses roughly 3,000 pigs. We've started utilizing the Gestall feeders to collect individual feed intake data to hopefully better strengthen our genetic potential of our pigs. So with the Gestall Select feeder, we're able to take individual pig consumption. So what that does for us from a management perspective is I can know exactly which pigs I need to look for before I even go into the pen. So I can tell my caregivers, hey, go look for pig A in this pen. He hasn't eaten in a day or so. See if there's anything wrong with him or if he's just one of those pigs that likes to only eat every once in a while.
I'm Abby Detmer. I am manager of genetic production here in the U.S. Labor is always going to be a challenge, and implementing the technologies such as Gestall will allow us to focus more of their time more appropriately in areas that matter a bit more and allow us to pick out pieces that we need to focus on and get right to the point with.
Because of the options within the Gestall system, we're able to dial in the settings to fit the needs of the pig to make sure that every pig gets ad libitum feed from the time it gets placed at 60 pounds all the way until the end of the on-test period up to 250 pounds. This gives us the confidence to know that every pig is able to express its full genetic potential.
I honestly am very pro technology in our facility, specifically with technology such as Gestall system. It allows us to hone in a little bit more on individual pig care, utilizing key components in those technology platforms to help us identify individual pigs that need more treatment or specific treatment.
Tag retention is very important at our farm, and it was a concern at the beginning, but once we've gotten into it, we've been doing this for 6 months with Gestall. On average, have about 2,500 pigs on test, and I've probably in that time only replaced a dozen or 2 tags.
While we're confident in our standard equipment to be marketed to barns, we also have the ability to customize products as needed for specific customers. Here at AccuFast, we've been able to modify the hoppers for these Gestall Selects so that they can continue to utilize their existing feed system as well as implement the Gestall Select for their data collection needs.
My name is Lika Geeling. I'm currently an intern at AccuFast, and I've been here for about 4 months. Starting working with Gestall, it was a little intimidating at first, but the team here definitely made me feel comfortable and talk through everything. I think once you understand what's going on, it's very user-friendly.